Hi, it's Ashley. Mia and I are here to teach you about Pronoun Case. Let's go! You already know that pronouns are words that take the place of a noun to refer to a person, place, or thing. You know a lot about pronouns, but did you ever notice that we use different pronouns in different situations? For example, I can refer to myself with the pronoun I or the pronoun me. What's the difference? Well, I wouldn't say me am going to the store. Do you want to come with I? That wouldn't make sense. Instead, I know to say, I am going to the store. Do you want to come with me? That's because pronouns have something we call pronoun case. There are three types of pronoun case. There's subjective case, objective case, and possessive case. Subjective case pronouns are the ones we can use as the subject of the sentence. For example, you might say, they will hike on that path, or she will hike, or I will hike on that path. The pronouns you use as the subject of the sentence are called subjective case pronouns. The subjective case pronouns are I, you, he, she, we, they, it, and even the word who is a subjective case pronoun you would use when you're asking a question. In a sentence, the subject is always a noun or pronoun that precedes the verb, and an object is a noun or pronoun that follows the verb. Objective case pronouns are pronouns that are objects. They follow the verb, like in the sentence, did you see him? Or maybe her, or I guess it. Objective case pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, them, and whom. Notice that the pronouns you and it are both subjective and objective case pronouns. That brings us to our final pronoun case, possessive case. These are pronouns that show possession, like that water bottle is mine, or maybe it's hers or his. The possessive case pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. Notice that there are no apostrophes in possessive pronouns. To make a noun possessive, we would add an apostrophe and an S, but not with pronouns. We just use the possessive case. No apostrophes allowed. There's one thing we need to clarify about possessive case pronouns. There are some pronouns called possessive determiners, and these are the ones we use right before nouns to show possession, like look at my shoes and your shoes. Hey, look at our shoes. These pronouns, my, your, his, her, its, our, and their, are not considered part of the possessive case because you can't use them without a noun. Some people call them possessive adjectives because they sort of modify nouns. Other people just refer to them as possessive determiners and keep them in the pronoun family. But the point is, they are not considered possessive case pronouns. So remember the proper pronoun case when you're using pronouns. If you're using the pronoun as a subject before the verb, use the subjective case. If you're using the pronoun after the verb, use objective case, and remember those possessive case pronouns when you want to show possession. And also, of course, remember to always be clever.
Hey!